So please give me your attention here. I've got something important I want to share with you. We care about your safety and most importantly your finances, which is the reason why the internet has recommended this video for you. So, welcome to GovaRide. GovaRide is an all-in-one taxi booking and ride-hailing mobile app platform that lets you do a whole lot of things as far as transportation is concerned. This includes ride-hailing, taxi booking, delivery and logistics, car rentals, emergency vehicle services, and a luxurious lifestyle as you want it. Just imagine a platform that combines all transport and logistics services into one single place for you. GovaRide comes with more than 12 major categories of transport services crafted to make life better and easier for everyone, no matter where you are or whatever business you do. And most importantly, at an affordable price. Now, let's break it down together for better understanding. Unlike other ride-hailing apps in the market, GovaRide isn't just another one of them, but an entire ecosystem providing numerous services you won't find anywhere else. Services like the selectable ride-hailing service, which allows you to select from 3 major categories of vehicles, including salon cars, tricycles, and SUVs. The delivery service, which is loaded with 3 different subcategories of services, such as the motorcycle delivery option, delivery by vans, and thirdly, delivery by trucks. Another great service on GovaRide is the car rental hiring service. This offers you the ability to rent a car with its driver for whatever duration of time you may want. You can choose to rent for hours or days according to your desires. Finally, we have the emergency vehicle hailing and booking services, which gives you the ability to get an ambulance, a towing van, or even the fire service. At this point, I want to thank you for watching this video so far up to this length. However, let me explain why we created the GovaRide platform. We know everyone has their line of interest and source of income, which has created the need for different styles of transport service consumption. At GovaRide, we believe there should be easy access to any kind of transport service, irrespective of whether you're a business person, an office worker, an employee, or a self-employed individual. Download GovaRide now from the Android Play Store or Apple App Store and start enjoying the good life. GovaRide, simple, safe, and sweet.
Book a taxi now.
GovaRide, simple, safe, and sweet.